I have a motion under Rule 64. The motion I have is that, Mr. Speaker, we adjourn consideration of this matter and discuss a matter of definite public importance. The CDF has just announced that he has deployed our military in South Sudan to protect the capital. And you know, Mr. Speaker, that deployment can only happen with approval of Parliament. So the motion is that you adjourn debate on this matter, Mr. Speaker, and I raise this matter. The good thing, we have the Minister for Defense here. We also have a UPDF representative. And the Minister of Defense, a very good lawyer, was my chair in the Committee on Legal, to tell us how this deployment has been done in total violation of the Constitution. That's the motion, Mr. Speaker, I am seeking to move.
Omubaka wa municipal Ekira Ibrahim Ssemujju Nganda yayanjudde ensonga eno mu lutuula lwa Parliament olunaku olwaleero bw'aleese ekiteeso ekiwakanya gavumenti okusindika amagye g'eggwanga Uganda South Sudan nga tefunye lukusa nga ssemateeka bw'alagira ku by'okusindika amagye ebweru w'eggwanga.
We adjourn consideration of this matter and discuss a matter of definite public importance. The CDF has just announced that he has deployed our military in South Sudan to protect the capital. And you know, Mr. Speaker, that deployment can only happen with approval of Parliament.
Wabula bino Minisita w'ebyokwenda Jacob Oboth abwakanyiza ntabimanyiiko ng'era tannatuulako mu lukiiko lwonna lusalawo ku nsonga eno.
The deployment, unless could have happened when I'm here. So I will have to verify and inform the House.
Yeah, sure.
I think that would be comforting my good friend from Kira municipality.
Kyokka omubaka wa Erute South Jonathan Odul yegasse ku Ssemujju Nganda ne bongera okulumiriza nti waliwo ekibinja ky'amagye ga UPDF ekyatuuse dda mu ggwanga lya South Sudan.
If it is true, it is a serious matter. And like I mentioned, let the government show us that they're actually working. This would not be something difficult for the minister to verify if there is a government running. And since it's a very important matter, and you know under Section 39, I believe, deployment outside the country for peacekeeping missions can only happen with the approval of Parliament.
Bano babuuzizza obanga ddala minisita w'ebyokwerinda ate omuduumizi wa UPDF n'atuuka obutamuwana amawulire ku bigenda maaso mu ggye. Oluvannyuma omumyuka wa Sipiika Thomas Tayebwa alagidde minisita Oboth agende yeebuze ku ekikwatako ku nsonga eno amanye oba ddala bye byogerwa bwa bituufu.
I'm very sure a Minister of Defense should be involved, because in the end he's the one who will come and report here in Parliament. Now when the minister has come and says he has not participated in any meeting, okay, authorizing deployment or confirming deployment, now it becomes very difficult. But Honourable Minister, like Honourable Jonathan Oduro has said, in case you've done that, or you're planning to do that, please follow the law, come here in Parliament and update us, and then you seek for the support.
Frank Chiddu yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV agaleero.
Sometimes we sympathize with you. The other day when Jat was deployed, police said they don't know them. The spokesperson of the media said we don't know Jat. The CDF thanked them for a job well done. Then the spokesperson of the media had to come the following day to own them. So we sympathize with you, but we have a duty to the country. But I will take your guidance, Mr. Speaker. We wait for the lawyer. Lawyers, as he said, they take long to learn things. For us, we learn them as they happen.
Professionals clashing on how effective they are in terms of executing.
Good. And further readers, future readers of the Hansard, they may wonder whether there was a lawyer in the House when Honorable Ssemujju was making that serious allegation. How we take long to learn. It is well known, and here with due respect, the difference is there. We verify, we need proof, so that we are sure of what we are talking about. But journalists can make anything, and that is Semuju for you.
To join, first of all, in appreciating submitted and their recommendations. Right Honourable Speaker, of the infrastructure for ICT across the country and other public facilities. Either power facilities in terms of electricity or even an infrastructure. And so the suggestion that is across the country. So in my submission, while I agree, if in our addition, we request that their education to roll out across the country appropriate infrastructure for schools, but needs to be put into context of our infrastructure. I beg to submit.
The committee for work well done. Right Honourable Speaker.
Well, maybe that's a difference. Okay, thank you. Let's resume the debate.